Hi everyone, Penny here. I wanted to tell you about another book that I've come across and I've been reading and exploring it. This one is called Self-Reg, and the subtitle says How to Help Your Child and You Break the Stress Cycle and Successfully Engage with Life. It sounds wonderful, isn't it? This is by Dr. Stuart Schenker, who's a Canadian author, and he is actually a founder of a center called the Merit Center, which does some lots of training in this field as well. But what the premise is that in order to be able to self-regulate, so that's in order for us to regulate ourselves, we need to be able to understand what the stressors are for us. Some stressors are obvious, when there's, when you're having financial trouble, or you lose your job, or you're fighting with your kids. But those are the obvious ones. But the other important thing is to think about the hidden stressors. So the hidden stressor might be something like you walk into a store and the fluorescent lights are feeling too harsh to you. Or your child is sitting in class and they hear drilling going on outside because the schoolyard is being renovated. Or we're sitting on a chair that's just not comfortable for us. So all of those things, we may not recognize them as being stressors. However, they just internally, they're still requiring effort for us to manage. The idea is that stress takes energy. And when we have to use our energy for managing the hidden stress or the not hidden stress, then we don't have the energy to do other things that we want to or that we might need to. For example, a child might need to concentrate on work, and with these hidden stressors, they might not be able to. And that can manifest itself into what looks like a misbehavior, when in fact, it's actually a response behavior to the stress that they're facing. So what Dr. Schenker helps us do is to be stress detectives and to look at what's going on. Maybe in in a future video I'll talk about this some more and give some tips, because it's a very powerful method of really working with ourselves and our children. So definitely pick up this book and explore what this means for you. Bye now.